Our next episode, this is Sharmila Bhattacharya from Sharmila Texart before you all with its handloom section again. This is, we'll be showing today some linens and some cotton handlooms. They are all woven by National Awardee Weaver of West Bengal. As you know, West Bengal is famous for its handloom too, like silks, and these are very comfortable, can be worn at any season. First, let me start with the first one. And you have been encouraging me a lot by ordering your sarees from all over India, Kolkata, its suburbs, everywhere. So it's encouraging for me to present even more better sarees to you. And this is first saree of us, a linen saree. Linen, golden saree. It has got shades, you know. These are the shades. Batik has been done on this linen. Batik print saree. As you know, hand batik is something West Bengal is famous for. Kantha and hand batik, these are the two things that we are lucky enough in West Bengal to get. So this is a batik work has been done. Very soft linen by linen saree. Very soft saree. It has got blouse piece too with it, but we would suggest you not to make a blouse of linen. Better you have one 2x2 rubia of this golden color and make a blouse. Tell your tailor to make a blouse with this saree. That would be more, I think, long lasting for you. So this is the first saree. As you have been doing, just take a screenshot so that we are not confused, and they can be couriered to you, home delivered to you if you are in Kolkata. This is next saree. Very nice pink color linen. See, this saree is, half of the saree is woven like this. Geometric weave. The saree has a geometric weave. You know, this is how the saree goes. And the plait portion, you get plain. You won't have any work here. That's how the saree is smarter even. Pink color, hand woven, very soft, linen by linen saree. The first saree, as I told you, that is batik, and that batik is 3250, the golden color. But this linen is little costlier. It has also blouse piece with it. This is nice light purple color, as the thread work is with purple. This saree is 3600 only. Very nice soft pink color. Now I go to the black. Black is always beautiful, and some ladies, you know, they get mad when they come to me. They say, Sharmila, we get mad when we see black sarees. So this is very gorgeous. Though we avoid blacks for some occasions, but otherwise you can wear them. And with black, orange and rani, very contrasting and bright. So this is how the saree. This is the palla. This is hand woven saree. Jamdani work on the border of it. As you all know, Jamdani work on the border means, you know, this is 10-meter work. This is the upper yoke. Upper yoke is the orange, and the lower yoke is rani. This is the saree. Linen by linen, pure. 4200 is the price of it. And blouse piece is always with the sarees. Now you can customize your blouse later on as you wish. This is again linen jamdani, jari work, linen by linen saree. This is peach color. This is a bi-color, short color saree. Two colors, threads going. This is peach and yellow or orangish yellow. Jari work. This is the palla of the saree, and this is how the saree goes. This is the border of the saree. The saree is very soft, linen by linen. Again, the price is 4200. These are pure linen sarees. As you all know, there are always duplicates in the market. That is also not bad. Those are little cheaper, and everyone can afford them. But these are pure ones. This is again pure khadi cotton. Pure khadi cotton, hand woven jamdani work. This is the sari, small buttas, floral buttas. This is very light orange. Then you get firoza and navy blue color thread work on it. So this is the sari. The price of this sari, let me show you. This is slab cotton. The weave of the sari is slab cotton, and let me give you the price. Price is 4,300. These are all hand wovens, pure cottons, and jamdani work is time taking, as you all know. This is again linen by linen. 4,200 is the price. Now this sari has got some gicha, some jari on the weaving. So these temples are gicha, border is jari. This is parrot green color, light parrot green. Gicha is there on the palla too, and little red, very half inch I think, very thin border. This is the sari, 4,200, pure linen by linen, very soft sari. Linen has been very popular because of its softness. This is a khadi cotton sari. The price of the sari is only 2,400. This is pure khadi cotton. It has got thread work throughout the body of the sari. Very soft, red and yellow in color. This is the palla of the sari. The sari is never different in the middle because the same weaving goes with the whole sari. Same weaving goes. So this is the palla of the sari. The whole sari is like this, no change. So much thread work, only 2,450, and pure cotton sari. You can take a screenshot, place order to us as you have been doing. It's very encouraging, so loving, and after getting the saris also, people are showing their satisfaction. They are expressing their satisfaction. They are talking to me. This is another National Award weaver sari, 3,600. This is pure cotton handloom. This is the sari and the palla of it. See the palla. Palla has got jamdani work. This is special here. At this price, these saris, you cannot imagine, isn't it? 3,600. Elsewhere, when they make jamdani work, the saris are very costly. But this is pure cotton, half and half. Grey and navy blue and firoza are the colors. Pure thread work, hand woven, cotton saris. Easy to maintain saris. This is 3,800. Another hand woven sari. Again, the National Awardee weaver has done it with his meticulous care. This is grey and red. Throughout the sari you get this kantha work like work. This is kala kshetra. This jamdani work is called kala kshetra. Kala khetra bole etake. পুরো শাড়িতেই রয়েছে কাঁথার মতন কাজ। এটা ভীষণ সফট মার্সারাইজড কটন শাড়ি। স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে আমাদেরকে অর্ডার প্লেস করুন, আমরা আপনাদের অ্যাড্রেসে পৌঁছিয়ে দেব। তার আগে আমাদের অ্যাকাউন্ট ট্রান্সফার করতে হবে বা ফোনপে, গুগল পে। দ্য নাম্বারস আর দেয়ার অ্যাট ইউটিউব। You can contact us, WhatsApp us, your choice, as you have been doing. This is another sari. I have just now shown you navy blue, grey and firoza, the same sari. This is the same jal work, jamdani work on the sari. Pure cotton, 3,600. This is again made by National Awardee weaver. The small buttas at the black portion. The whole sari goes like this. It has got running blouse piece along with it. So these are all standard size, pure cotton saris. I go to the last sari today. This is again slab cotton, fuchsia rani in color, the border, and beige is the body. Very nice sari. The blouse piece is also rani. I show you the blouse piece first. This is the blouse piece, rani in color, and this is the palla. See. See this weaving part, this part also, where the Rani threads are getting into the beige color. That is the beauty of the sari. How pretty it looks. Fusia Rani. See, this is the palla of the sari. The whole sari goes like this. This is the beauty of the sari. No buttas, but the borders. Slab cotton, the weaving. The weaving is different. And the price of the sari is, let me just check. Yes, it is 3,300 only. So I hope you have liked our cotton saris. They are all very good quality. Once you get them, I know you'll be very happy. As you have been ordering, you just keep on ordering, sharing, subscribing our channel so that we can reach even more people. Thank you for being with us. Namaskar.